Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss to you how to fix E40 error on Electrolux washing machine. So if you're having issues with your Electrolux washing machine here and getting the E40 error, well, there is something that you could try doing here. Now, in this case, this usually happens when you try to start a wash cycle, followed by 3 loud beeps. Now, fixing this is really easy. So first is you want to turn your washing machine to the off position. Now, you want to turn this off. Now, using the main dial, probably here, or the power switch, depends on your model. Now, make sure it's completely off. Now, next is you want to open, then firmly close the door of your washer. Now, apply a little pressure to make sure it clicks shut completely. This step is important. If the door isn't fully latched, the machine won't start and the E40 error will appear. Now, you want to choose any wash cycle and you want to press start and wait. Now, if the door is properly closed, your washer should start normally without showing the E40 error. Now, usually why this actually works, so the E40 error is almost always caused by a door lock issue, not a mechanical fault here. It's the machine's way of telling you that the door isn't properly secure. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.